In this comprehensive guide, we offer 5 ways for you on how to install the app on Android from a PC. Part 1. How to install app on Android from PC by Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 1. Download and launch Coolmuster Android Assistant on your PC, and then connect your phone to your PC via USB or Wi-Fi. Follow the instructions on the screen to let your phone be detected by the software. You will see the main interface below once the program successfully recognizes your Android phone. Step 2. Click App User Apps. Here, you can view all the apps installed on your phone. Click Install on the top menu and choose the APK file from your computer to install to your Android phone. Part 2. How to install apps from PC to Android via Google Play website. If the app can be found on the Google Play Store, you can take advantage of the Google Play website to install the app from PC to Android wirelessly. Step 1. On your phone, open the Google Play Store and log into it with your Google account. Step 2. On your computer, log into the Google Play website with the Google account that you use for your Android phone. Step 3. Search and browse the apps on the website, select the one you want, and click Install. Step 4. Choose your device from the pop-up window. Click Continue, and here you may need to confirm your Google account. Step 5. A prompt will show up and tell you the app will be installed on your Android device. Part 3. How to install app on Android from PC through AirDroid. Step 1. Download AirDroid on your phone. Tap to sign in. Step 2. On your computer, log into the AirDroid website with the same account. Step 3. Click Apps on the AirDroid web. The apps on your phone are displayed on the pop-up window. Click Install App on the top right corner. Step 4. Select the APK file on your computer and install the Android app from your PC. Part 4. How to install apps from PC to Android using sideloading. Such apps are usually downloaded outside of Google Play. It requires users to allow a known source in their security settings. Step 1. Enable unknown sources. For Android 8 and later, Settings App Apps and Notifications Advanced Special App Access Install Unknown Apps. For Android 7 and below, Settings App Security Turn on Unknown Sources. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to your PC via a USB cable. Tap Touch for other USB options on your phone and choose Media Device MeTP. Step 3. On your computer, right-click the APK file Send to, click the name of your Android device. Step 4. On your phone, open the File Manager app and find the APK file you just installed. Step 5. Tap the APK file and install the Android app on your phone. Part 5. How to install apps on Android from a PC using USB with ADB. It's especially useful for developers or advanced users who need to install apps without using the standard methods. Step 1. Enable developer options and USB debugging. Go to your Android phone settings About Phone. Tap build number 7 times until you see a message saying you are now a developer. Return to Settings Developer Options. Turn on USB debugging. Step 2. Download and install ADB tools on your PC. You can get them from the official Android developer website or other trusted sources. Extract the downloaded file to a convenient folder on your PC. Step 3. Use a USB cable to connect your Android phone to your computer. Make sure the phone is set to File Transfer MeTP mode. Step 4. Open the folder where ADB is installed. Press Shift plus right-click and select Open Command Window here or Open PowerShell Window here. Step 5. Type ADB devices and press Enter. If your phone is successfully connected, it will display your device's serial number. Step 6. Place the APK file in the same folder where ADB is installed. In the command window, type ADB install app name, APK replace app name, APK with the actual file name of your APK. Step 7. Press Enter and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, the app will be installed on your Android device, and you can access it from your phone.